Second load.
Hell yeah.
Get some racks, big bores, some Rakia, some Pyromax. Got the Roaring Peacock. You got some more Pyromax over here. Look at that big motherfucker there. Demo that. Got all these shells right here. Got a bunch of 8-inch, bunch of 7-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch. You also got a bunch of Proline. We even got some Proline shells too.